Maxwell. Okay, my good friend Nick Penwell. Never seen you in one of those before. Lot 163, the Kelsey Motorette. It's the bike, running very nicely as you can tell. Extremely rare to see one of these. And just over 200 of them are understood to have been built. I'd be willing to bet that this is probably the nicest of all of those, and very rare to find them in this condition. Attesting to the quality of its restoration, the car is a former AACA Senior National First Prize winner, which it wears very proudly on there. Looks very comfortable in there. And what should we say? Well, I have interest in it taking to $32,000, $38,000 already with me at $38,000. I hold the bids this time at $38,000. We have 40 somewhere. $38,000 now I have. $38,000. I say 40. $38,000 for the Kelsey Motorette. That's $80,000 for more. $38,000 is the 40 somewhere. Barry, find me 40. $38,000. $38,000 is the law. $38,000. Someone bidding. $38,000. I don't see you. $40,000. $40,000. See you now. $42,000. $42,000. $42,000 is the more. $42,000. $42,000. Any more? $42,000. Bidding over the back. $42,000. $42,000. $45,000. $45,000. Bidding. $45,000. May I take another bid? Any further interest in this at $45,000? At $45,000. Internet is quiet. Phones are quiet on this one. $45,000. Is there any more to come? $45,000. No more. Are you sure? $45,000. $45,000. Okay. $45,000. $45,000. We'll dry at $45,000. Sure? No regrets, anyone. Beautiful little car for $45,000 only. We'll move along, I'm afraid there. $45,000.